Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chia seed pudding. I absolutely love to make this for breakfast. I make it in the evening, put it in the fridge, and then enjoy my breakfast the next day. So it's vegan, it's dairy free, it's gluten free. I'm using almond milk, but you can use coconut milk or oat milk or whatever you want. And the main ingredient, the chia seeds. You can do so many different things with chia seed pudding. You can make it with fruit or with cacao powder, or you can keep it very plain. The basic is the same. You're gonna use the chia seed with the milk, blend it in with some maple syrup, or you use vanilla extract. That's your basis for every chia seed pudding. And then you can put some different flavors in, like strawberries, bananas, cacao powder, matcha powder, blueberries, you name it, you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just gonna make a very basic one, a plain one, and then I'm gonna build it up with 3 of my favorite ones. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of chia seeds. Put it in. Then I'm using unsweetened almond milk. I'm doing 3 of them. And then I'm using a little bit of vanilla extract. It's 1 big tablespoon. But like I said, if you love maple syrup, then just use maple syrup. You need to make sure you mix everything well. You don't want the chia seed to be like sticking to each other. Just make sure you blend it well. And that is it. You're gonna put this in the fridge for at least 4 hours. You can leave it overnight. That's what I love to do. And then just take it out the next day. Put some extra fruit on it or some oats and enjoy your breakfast. For this one, I'm going to use some apple, some green apple, some raisins, walnuts, and I'm going to use maple syrup. I love this one because it tastes like a little apple cake, so it's really nice. Again, I'm going to use 1 cup of chia seed. Again, 3 of these. One tablespoon of maple syrup. And some raisins. Then you're gonna put a little bit of walnuts in. It's like a little apple cake, but then for breakfast. And you put some apple in, put some cinnamon in as well. Make sure you mix everything again. And that's it. It's going in the fridge now. This is my favorite one. It's the chocolate chia seed pudding. I absolutely love chocolate, so this is a real treat for me every morning. I'm going to start again. The base is the same. Always start with 1 cup of chia seeds. Then 3 cups of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to give that nice and sweet taste. A little bit of cinnamon. It's like a teaspoon, but I always do it how I think it's enough. Then I have 1 tablespoon of organic cacao powder to give that nice chocolate flavor. And again, make sure you mix everything well. Especially with the cacao powder, you need to take your time and mix everything. You need to be very patient for this one. But I promise you, in the morning, it's all worth it. The thing that I love with this one is, in the morning, I put some fresh bananas or some strawberries, and it tastes so nice. Chia seed is a real superfood. Chia seeds contain healthy fats, carbohydrates, protein, fiber, antioxidants, and calcium. So it's really healthy for you in the morning, and it's an amazing energy booster. And this is done. It's gonna go in the fridge now, and it smells and it looks like chocolate mousse, so I'm really excited about this one. So this is the last one, the blueberry one. We're gonna make this one a little bit different than the others. We're gonna use the almond milk. Three. Some blueberries. One tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm going to blend all of this, and then I'm going to put the chia seeds together, mix everything, and put it in the fridge. Now that everything is blended, I'm just going to put 1 cup of chia seeds, and then I'm going to do 3 of these. There you go. And again, make sure you mix everything, especially with this one, because the blueberry is quite thick as well, so you need to make sure everything is mixed well. Chia seeds are amazing in the morning. They will really fill you up, and it's so nice to have them with a little bit of oats or some other fruits. It will just be a nice treat in the morning, and also a nice breakfast, a healthy breakfast. And the best thing about chia seed pudding is that you can make it completely vegan with the maple syrup and the almond milk or coconut milk. It's gluten-free and it's delicious, and it's so healthy. Like I said, it's full of antioxidants, it's full of omega-3 and healthy fats. And it's also a good protein source, so win-win. You do need to have some patience to mix everything. It's ready, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 4 hours, at least 4 hours, and enjoy it later on. It's been 4 hours and they are finally done. I have my natural one here. This is just the basic one. It's so nice. Look at the texture. I just put some strawberries and some raspberries on top of it because otherwise it's so dry. What I also do sometimes, I just put some oats in the morning. So I have some rolled oats, some strawberries, my chia seed pudding, and I have an amazing breakfast. This is my second one. This is the one with apple, raisins, and some walnuts. It's so nice with a little bit of cinnamon, and again, if you put some oats on it, it's amazing for breakfast. Then I have my chocolate treat. I mean, I don't have to say anything about this one. And the last, the blueberry one. I'm just gonna try them all. I'm gonna start with this one. Love it. I absolutely love them all. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know which one of these 4 is your favorite, and if you have some better recipes, please let me know, because I love chia seed pudding. So if you have some better ideas, send me that as well, so I'm gonna try them at home. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.